Hello, how to solve for s from this given nice equation. 4 raised to power s is equal to 40. Solution. 4 raised to power s is equal to 40. Let's take the log of both sides. Log 4 raised to power x is equal to log 40. Then if you have log a to the power of b, this is equal to b log a. This can be written as s log 4 is equal to log 40. Now we are looking for the value of s. Let's divide both sides of this equation by log 4. S log 4 over log 4 is equal to log 40 over log 4. This will cancel this. S is equal to log 40 over log 4, and this is equal to log 4 multiplied by 10 over log 4. If you have log a multiplied by b, this is equal to log a plus log b. Then this can be written as s is equal to log 4 plus log 10 over log 4. Then this is s is equal to log 4 over log 4 plus log 10 over log 4. This will cancel this. S is equal to 1 plus log 10 over log 4, and this is 1 plus 1 over log 4. But log 4 is equal to 0.602. S is equal to 1 plus 1 over 0.602. S is equal to 1 plus 1 divided by 0.602. That is 1.66. S is equal to 1 plus 1.66. That is 2.66. And this is the final answer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget the step. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye-bye.